Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable show extra details on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone when it relates to call information. Also, this will help you to fix any issues if you're not able to see the last talk, important dates, or more information that relates to a phone call that you've had. So how do you go about finding this caller information so that you can easily enable show extra details for those phone calls? All you have to do is tap the phone app on your phone and click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go to settings. Now from here, you want to tap on caller information. Now here you will see the option show extra details. And it basically says that show when you last talked to someone, important dates, and more information. And this information will be shown even when your phone is locked. So this is very important to note. So if you're not seeing these details during phone calls or after phone calls, then that could be that this feature is disabled. So all you have to do is just come here, follow the steps I'm sharing, and turn this feature on, and you will be able to find this detail enable again. And as I enable and disable, you can see some of that feature shown in the image above, right, which basically shows the timing of that call as well. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.